Every single day, training programs drain the life out of employees. The endless slides, the tired lectures, the disconnect. Feel it? That crushing boredom that turns sharp minds into zombies. Now think about what that means for your business. Wasted hours, lost talent, plummeting motivation. People don't learn because they don't care. They check out. They resent the system that's supposed to empower them. You see this bleeding spirit, this frustration that nobody talks about. They're stuck, trapped in training that feels like punishment, not growth. And you can feel it too, like a fire inside that rages against mediocrity, against a future half built with uninspired people. That fire is your edge, but right now it's suffocating under the weight of outdated methods that kill potential. Stop pretending training has to be this way. It doesn't. Here's the brutal truth. Education is broken because it's boring by design. People aren't wired to learn from dull manuals or empty PowerPoints. They crave challenge. They hunger for meaning and accomplishment. That's why gamification isn't a gimmick. It's a revolution. Gamification flips the entire game on its head by turning learning into an addictive quest. Imagine your employees waking up hungry to engage, raring to conquer levels, earn rewards, break records. Suddenly, training isn't a chore. It's a battle for mastery. And mastery ignites passion like nothing else. But listen closely. Gamification isn't about throwing badges at people or meaningless points. That's cheap noise. The secret is to build real, fierce engagement, fueled by clear goals that challenge the mind and the heart. Use storylines that connect to their reality, missions that demand teamwork, and spark their natural instincts to compete and collaborate. Layer instant feedback, so every move matters, and every failure becomes fuel for growth, not shame. Create environments where progress is undeniable and celebrated in real time. When done right, training becomes an unstoppable journey of achievement that awakens even the most disengaged souls. Pressure test this. Break your program into bite-sized challenges that scale with skill. Add surprise elements that keep curiosity on fire. Give socially driven rewards, leaderboards, peer recognition, not for show, but for actual status among their tribe. Make your training impossible to ignore and impossible to quit. Because this isn't just about learning. It's about reclaiming freedom. Freedom to grow, to excel, to rewrite their own rules. Founder, investor, leader, you hold the power to break this cycle of boredom and frustration. Command your teams to demand gamification that actually works. Tear down the tired systems that trap your people. Build new ones where training feels like a prize, not a penalty. Your employees will not just learn, they'll evolve. And when your people evolve, your entire organization transcends limits no system ever dreamed it could surpass. This is your call to arms. Annihilate dull learning. Ignite hungry minds with training designed like a game they cannot stop playing. The future belongs to those who refuse to settle for less. Will you be the leader who frees your team from the chains of monotony and lights the fire of mastery? The choice burns inside you, take it.